This is something you don't see me doing very often, which is switching spools. This one here happens to be a Euro spool. This one here happens to be my floating spool. This is a 5-weight not Rio, 5-weight Scientific Anglers Airflow is what this one is. This little band, one of these trout brains or whatever it is, reel band. They're pretty nice. They keep everything intact. It's been a while since I tried to read the names on any of them. That's a pretty little friend there. No breeze is kind of a pain. It's a pretty nice one. It's swimming around through all that moss. Trying to go underneath the concrete. Fish says it's been around a minute. Come on, man. Got the fight of 1,000 fish today here, and just one. Come on. Give up. Not even a huge fish. But it's got all the juice. Smash that little perdigon. Let's see. Oh yeah. So feisty. 8 and 7, 15. Real beautiful rainbow. We're just gonna let it out of the net here, if it'll be nice. There it goes. Later, fish. Oh, well, it didn't have the camera on. Look at this thing. Oh boy. That's a good fish. Thought I had the camera on. I was deep nymphing this thing here. Man, that's a nice one. Big girl. Big girl. Come on, get up here, baby. Come here. She may go 17, 18. What a beaut. Well, I can't get that nymph to let go of her. It just likes her too much. There it is. And there's also praying mantis. Don't look so healthy. 10 and 7. She's 17. Let's get a good look at her. Get your hands good and wet. There she is. Real pretty. What a beautiful rainbow. Later, lady. Heck yeah, that's 2 today on the nymph. Pretty gone. Euro nymphing. Amazing. The leader I have on this rod is the Scientific Anglers Absolute Euro, I think 30-foot leader. And we're kind of dropped off, and down here at the bottom we're sitting at 4X where the fly is tied on. Okuma Samar, or Okuma Crisium, 4-5 weight here with the Lamson liquid reel. I don't know how that fish didn't know I was there still. This fish has got the juice. That's a big rainbow. Big rainbow. Come out of there. That's a nice one. We're really fighting here, huh? In the net. Oh boy, this one's bigger than the last one. Big boy. Man, don't get much better than that. Easy there. Come on, bud, let me get that out of you. Well, now my line's hooked on your mouth. That is a beautiful bow right there. Beautiful bow. You stuck in the net or what? 11 and 8, 19. Whew, boy, that is a big rainbow right there. Super feisty. Nice, beautiful colors on that male. What a beautiful rainbow that one is. Later, buddy. Man, I don't understand it. I was trying to get my line unstuck, and I successfully did. And then I went back through that same run, got that monster. Whoa, unreal. There's fish right out the gate. Another good one. Another good fish. Come on. Get up here. Man, these fish just got the juice in them today. In the net. Oh, that's a nice one. Woo. Feisty. Let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on, calm down. 10 and 6/16. Feisty fish right there. Nice and healthy. Pink tip up on that top. Later fish. It's actually orange tip. What's the difference? A whole lot of different color. Another one fell for that little devil. Alright, so we got a 9 there and an 8 there, 17. This one is feisty and it's only got one eye. And it took that tiny little bug. There's the good eye, there's the bad eye. Later, buddy. Thanks for playing. It's so exciting when that happens. So exciting. My sunglasses are eating into my skull. If anybody knows what that feels like. Here's another little one. Bigger than most of the little ones that I've been getting. Come on. Off the hook. Later, little friend. One fly day, huh? One fly. Getting it by.